Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, he was sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him were welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they have done, because it's still a gift at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, sa humabang meeting they were very happy. All people were baptized and with the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore, and then Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, oh, that is meant to come up flat. Mactan Island we could not run, because Lapu-Lapu is very high. Then the battle began at dawn, boys and spears, best cannon, cannon. When Magellan was sitting on his neck, stumbled down and cried, oh, mother, mother, I am sick. All the doctors very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. That's the end of Magellan, the island of Mactan, long, long time ago. Ladies and gentlemen. Salamat.